So you're watching your favorite YouTuber, streamer, what have you, and they recommend you get the Go XLR and the Arctis Pro Wireless headset because apparently they're the best thing in the world together. Problem is they do not tell you how to hook it up. All right, they give you no information on how to put it together, make it work, and get the audio that you want bumping through your wireless headsets. So today, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to help you get your Go XLR, your Arctis Pro Wireless, get them together, and get that lovely, lovely sound in your ears. Here we go. So here it is, the Go XLR, probably the best mixer on the market for streamers and content creators. I'm not going to get into all the details of it or anything like that, but trust me, it's good. It's real good. And these are the Arctis Pro Wireless headset. A solid choice in headphones and just headset all around. I'm not going to do a review of it. I'm not going to start to talk about the details of it. Just a solid choice. And I'm going to help you get these connected to your Go XLR. And let's do that right now. I'm assuming at this point you have your Go XLR completely set up. Everything's running smooth. First things first though. First thing you need to know, to get this to work, you're going to need a male-to-male 3.5 millimeter like headphone cord. All right. That means the prong on one end, prong on the other. You're going to need that to make this work so you can connect the base of your, Arctis Pro wireless headset into the Go XLR. All right. So once you have that, then we can actually move into step one of this. You have your 3.5 millimeter cord. What you're going to do to set this all up, you're going to take that cord, you're going to plug it into the line in port on the back of your wireless headset base. And then you're going to take the other end of it and plug it into the headphone port on the back of your Go XLR. That's how you're going to connect the base and the Go XLR. Now that we have those two connected, let's go ahead and give this baby some juice. Plug the power cord into the base and basically watch for it to turn on. It'll automatically turn on itself. You're going to see some lights flash on the screen in the front, and then you're going to be off to the races. Now the settings you need to set in order to get this to work. On the base for your wireless headset, go ahead, push the knob. When that comes up, you want to go to where it says source on the menu. So turn the knob wheel to get to source, push in on the knob, select that, and you want to set it to aux, AUX. That is the audio source that you're going to be running with. After that, that's it. You should be able to get audio through your headphones. If you don't have audio through your headphones, there's one more thing we can try, and that's this. Go into the menu, go where it says audio. In that menu for audio, click chat mix and turn it to where it's all the way underneath the controller. And that's it. All done. You should be enjoying lovely, lovely sound in your headphones right now without any sort of cord. Enjoy the wireless life. If you like this video, please feel free to drop a like, hit that sub to the channel, and that it helps me and it helps me grow to where I can get an actual normal YouTube channel name or URL, one of those things. Yeah, so every little bit helps. Thank you so very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, or feel free to check me out on my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/afro with a 0. I stream Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you again. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got your headphones up and running, and I will see you in whatever video comes in after this. Have a great one.